what I will do here, I will go in the simulation, okay, and then I will send from here to here, okay, and now check here. It is going to the switch. It is sending everywhere, okay, it is sending everywhere. See how it is for only one packet. How many packets are going for one packet? It is going here only. It is rotating here only. See here, you have the frame here only for one packet. How many packets we have? We have lot of loop. We have the loop in the network, loop in the layer 2 network. That's why it is rotating around only here, okay, that's why it is rotating around only here. If you see, we have the R packet, and here you can see we don't have the STP. It is rotating here only. And if you want, I can disable this, okay, I can delete. I can go in the real. Again I will go in the simulation and I will send again. Let's see here, okay. Now if you see, I will play, it hang, okay, because it is having STP is blocked and we are sending the traffic, so it is hanging. You can see it is hanging. It is hanging. So in real world also it is going to hang also. In the real world your switch will have the issue. Your switch will have the issue also. Here it is showing the DTP packet. If you don't want DTP packet, you can disable from here. You have option here. You can go to the miscellaneous. You can disable the CDP, DTP, whatever packet you don't want to see, you can disable here. We want to check only the STP, okay. ICMP I am trying to send, but you can see here we have the broadcast. If you go here, it is hang. Already it is hang. In real world your switch will reboot if you have lot of broadcasts, if you disable the STP. I cannot do anything here. See, it is loading. It is blocked here, okay. So in the real world also, because of STP you will have the problem if you disable. So don't disable any STP. You should not disable anything, okay. You should not disable anything. Now we will wait for some time. After that what we will do, we will check, okay. Now it is hang. We need to wait for some time, and you can see here in the packet tracer you are getting here not responding, okay, not responding. What we can say, it is giving you not responding, right? So let's see here what we can say here. It is hang, I think, because we have lot of traffic here. It is hanging, lot of sound is there. So see here what we are saying, it is hang. It is hang. So same thing, you will have same problem in real world also. See here how it is. You can see in the real world also you will have this problem, and you can see here the communication is fail here. It is not going. Communication is fail here. So what we need to remember now, just remember, whenever we disable the STP, we will have the problem. Our broadcast storm you will have the multiple frame, and you will have the issue. And you can see even the packet tracer is not responding. When I disable the STP and send a lot of packet, our packet tracer is also hang. So we should not disable the STP in the real world. And let's see here, and see here packet tracer hang already. It will take time. If we want to check, it will take time. I think it will close automatically. No problem, we will see that.